Welcome to Riddle's channel. As appreciation for our beloved subscribers, we decided to share with you some popular cooking art book which costs a lot of money to get and read. But guess what? We offer these books for free and you are able to download it directly and enjoy it. First book. Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat, Mastering the Elements of Good Cooking. Authors, Nusrat. Submitter costs $19.93 in Amazon, and you can check in Amazon, and today it is a free to download, so you save $19.93. Second book. Essentials of Classic Italian Cooking. This is literally fantastic cooking book that will benefit you a lot. This book costs you in Amazon more than $31, but today it is totally free for you to download and read it so you can feel how you are very important for us. Third book. The Complete Cooking for Two Cookbook. This is literally another fantastic cooking book that archived more than 250,000 purchases. This book costs you in Amazon more than $26, but today it is totally free for you to download and read it. So you can feel how you are very special for us. Fourth book. The Food Lab, Better Home Cooking Through Science. A grand tour of the science of cooking explored through popular American dishes, illustrated in full color. Ever wondered how to pan-fry steak with a charred crust and an interior that's perfectly medium rare from edge to edge when you cut into it? How to make homemade mac and cheese that is as satisfyingly gooey and velvety smooth as the blue box stuff, but far tastier. How to roast a succulent, moist turkey. Use a foolproof method that works every time? This book costs you in Amazon more than $29, but today it is totally free for you to download and read it. So you can feel how you are very special for us. You can download every single book from direct links in description.